Imagine a force so powerful that it shapes your reality, attracts your desires, and molds your future. A force that's always at work, whether you're aware of it or not. This is the law of attraction, one of the most profound and transformative principles in the universe. But what exactly is the law of attraction, and how can you harness its power to create the life you've always dreamed of? In this video, we'll explore the secrets of the law of attraction, unravel its mysteries, and show you how to apply its principles in your everyday life. If you're ready to transform your mindset and manifest your deepest desires, then stay tuned. The law of attraction is based on a simple yet powerful premise, like attracts like. The energy you emit through your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs attracts experiences that are in harmony with that energy. If you're constantly thinking about abundance, positivity, and success, you're more likely to attract those experiences into your life. Conversely, if you dwell on negativity, lack, and failure, you'll find that those are the experiences that seem to come your way. But the law of attraction goes deeper than just positive thinking. It's about understanding that your thoughts are powerful, creative forces. Every thought you have sends out a vibration into the universe, and the universe responds by bringing you experiences that match that vibration. This means that you are, in essence, the creator of your own reality. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world, your beliefs, emotions, and mental patterns. Understanding this principle is the first step to mastering the law of attraction. It requires a shift in perspective, from seeing yourself as a passive recipient of life's circumstances to recognizing your power as a co-creator of your reality. This shift is empowering because it means that you have the ability to change your life simply by changing your thoughts and beliefs. While the law of attraction may seem like a mystical or spiritual concept, there's a growing body of scientific evidence that supports its principles. Quantum physics, for instance, has shown that everything in the universe is made up of energy, and that energy is influenced by our thoughts and intentions. The famous double-slit experiment demonstrated that particles of light behave differently depending on whether they're being observed, suggesting that consciousness plays a role in shaping reality. This scientific understanding of energy and consciousness aligns with the principles of the law of attraction. Your thoughts are not just intangible, fleeting things. They are energetic vibrations that have a real, measurable impact on the world around you. When you focus your thoughts on a particular outcome, you're essentially influencing the energy around you to bring that outcome into existence. Neuroscience also supports the law of attraction through the concept of neuroplasticity. Our brains are constantly rewiring themselves in response to our thoughts and experiences. When you repeatedly focus on positive thoughts and visualizations, you're creating new neural pathways that make those positive outcomes more likely to occur. This is why practices like visualization and affirmations are so effective. They literally rewire your brain to align with your desires. By understanding the science behind the law of attraction, you can approach it with a sense of confidence and curiosity. It's not just wishful thinking. It's a real, measurable process that you can harness to create meaningful change in your life. Now that we've explored the theory behind the law of attraction, let's dive into how you can apply it in your everyday life. The key to making the law of attraction work for you is consistency and intentionality. Here are some practical steps you can take to start manifesting your desires. Number 1. Clarify your desires. The first step is to be clear about what you want. Vague or uncertain desires will lead to vague or uncertain results. Take some time to sit down and write out your goals and aspirations in detail. What do you truly want to attract into your life? Be specific and focus on the feeling of already having it. Number 2, visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool for activating the law of attraction. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself living the life you desire. See it, feel it, and believe that it's already yours. The more vividly you can imagine your success, the more real it becomes in your mind, and the more likely it is to manifest in your life. Number 3, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts more of what you're grateful for. Start a daily gratitude journal where you list the things you're thankful for. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you're aligning yourself with the energy of abundance and attracting more of it into your life. Number 4, affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desires. Create a list of affirmations that resonate with your goals and repeat them daily. For example, if you want to attract financial abundance, you might say, "I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity." The key is to believe these affirmations as if they are already true. And number 5, let go and trust the process. One of the most challenging aspects of the law of attraction is letting go of the need to control the outcome. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, even if things don't seem to be happening as quickly as you'd like. Release any doubts or fears and stay open to the possibilities that are unfolding. While the law of attraction is a powerful tool, it's important to address some common misconceptions and challenges that people often encounter. One of the biggest misconceptions is that simply thinking positive thoughts is enough to manifest your desires. While positive thinking is a crucial component, it's not the whole story. The law of attraction requires action, commitment, and alignment between your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Another challenge is dealing with resistance and limiting beliefs. If you have deep-seated beliefs that contradict your desires, such as believing you're not worthy of success or that abundance is scarce, these beliefs will create resistance and block your manifestations. It's important to identify and work through these limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering ones that support your goals. A common frustration is the timing of manifestations. Sometimes it may seem like your desires are taking too long to manifest, leading to doubt and discouragement. It's essential to remember that the universe operates on its own timeline, and sometimes delays are necessary for your growth or to bring about even better outcomes than you imagined. Patience, persistence, and trust in the process are key. Finally, it's important to understand that the law of attraction is not a magic wand that will instantly fix all your problems. It's a tool for personal growth and transformation, and like any tool, it requires practice and refinement. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but each one is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your approach. The true power of the law of attraction lies in making it a part of your daily life. It's not just something you practice during meditation or when you're visualizing your goals. It's a way of being, a mindset that permeates every aspect of your existence. Here's how you can integrate the law of attraction into your daily routine. Start your day with intention. Before you get out of bed, take a moment to set a positive intention for the day. Visualize how you want your day to unfold and feel the emotions associated with that vision. This simple practice sets the tone for the day and aligns your energy with your desired outcomes. Throughout the day, stay mindful of your thoughts and feelings. If you notice negative thoughts creeping in, gently shift your focus back to your intentions and affirmations. The more you practice this awareness, the more naturally it will become a part of your thought process. Incorporate the law of attraction into your conversations and interactions. Speak positively about your goals and desires and avoid engaging in negative or limiting talk. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support your vision, and be that positive influence for others as well. Finally, end your day with gratitude and reflection. Take a few minutes to review your day, acknowledging the positive experiences and progress you've made. Express gratitude for the manifestations that have come into your life, no matter how small. This practice reinforces the positive energy and sets the stage for continued success. Remember, the law of attraction is a journey, not a destination. It's a powerful tool for personal transformation, and by integrating its principles into your daily life, you can create a reality that aligns with your highest aspirations. The power is within you. Embrace it, trust it, and watch your life transform. The law of attraction is a profound and transformative force that, when understood and applied, can change your life in unimaginable ways. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your deepest desires, you can harness this universal law to manifest your dreams and create the life you've always wanted. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the law of attraction. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. Your thoughts are powerful, your intentions are magnetic, and the universe is ready to bring you everything you desire. Keep believing, keep visualizing, and keep taking inspired action. Your dream life is just around the corner.